What's going on? Let's make some money. All right, so today we're talking about gold. So this market has been up and down and it's been kind of crazy. So I've been hedging my account with gold, running options with gold, just call options on gold because it's been hitting all-time highs this year. I really haven't done too many put options, and that's just betting that the stock is going to go down. Haven't really been doing that because the market has been so volatile. We don't know when we're gonna get a tweet that's gonna reverse course in the market. So I've personally found, and this is just my own thing, that I've just been trading in and out of gold. So I normally like to do this on a red day for gold. And so usually when gold is red, the other stocks are usually up. That's kind of how it's been going. So I normally like to do this on a red day, but I still like where we are as far as, not being at the high. So I just like to go to Yahoo Finance. Okay, so we're over here on Yahoo Finance looking at gold. Gold is currently trading around 307 with the all-time high being at 317. So we got some room to play with here. So yeah, I'll probably do a 305. What's the top of this count? 304, 305. 305. Probably go out maybe till September. 305 call, and then let it run up from just 307 to 310. Like just playing a couple dollar moves here, getting in, getting out quick. So let's go back over to Webull and buy the contract. So got the options chain pulled up. 305. I like that. The volume, open interest. It's a lot of open interest at the 300. I'm okay with 305. 0.6 delta, 60% chance that this will be right. Each dollar move, that gold move, I get $60. The bid and the ask, I like that. So I'll put my limit order somewhere in between. That says sell, but I wanna buy. Now we're where we need to be. Okay, 305. I wanna buy it. September. Gotta make sure your dates are right. I just want to do one contract. It'll be an ask 18. Let's go 1850. Give them 1855. Time in force day. Let's place order. We'll see if we get filled. Okay, I'm gonna modify the order because I really want to get into this position here. Okay, bumped it up to 1880 to get the order fill. All right, so we're in the position. So I paid $1,800 to get into this position. So I'll hold it for a few days and we'll see if we have any volatility. But the things I'm looking for, if we get a deal with China, this trade may go out the window. If we get interest rates, lowered in a significant way, it depends though. If inflation data is going down and then the Federal Reserve decide to lower rates because they think we're too restrictive right now with the interest rates being where they are, that's a good sign. And I don't know how that'll truly affect gold. I think people if that's the situation, people go back into equities, so like buying stocks. Now, if they're lowering rates because the tariffs causing too much of a strain on the economy and they're having to lower rates for that reason, this may cause gold to go up. So I'm kind of looking at why are the situation and the circumstances that the Federal Reserve be lowering rates. So that'll determine how long I stay in this position. All right. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and until the next time.